Today marks the beginning of the Larry Millete murder trial 5.5 years after his wife Maya went missing. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Carlo Cicchetto. The body of the Chula Vista mother of three has never been found. News 8's Jenny Day has more from the South Bay Courthouse, where jury selection is underway.
The Millete murder trial, 5 years in the making. 39-year-old Maya Millete disappeared in 2021 and hasn't been seen since. Her husband, Larry, is charged with her murder.
Very critical to pick a jury that can be fair, that can follow the law, that can keep an open mind until the end.
Jury selection is a tedious process. Millete was there in court and even has a say. For the first time, he sat unmasked and in a button-up instead of a jailhouse jumpsuit, as 278 people were questioned one by one about their prior knowledge of this case, if they can remain impartial as they evaluate the evidence.
X amount of people are there in the jury pool, and then you get to remove the people you do not like each side, and who your remains are people that you're both kind of satisfied with.
Prosecutors say Larry's motive stems from an alleged affair. The state says Maya contacted a divorce attorney the day she disappeared. They also claim there are journal entries that describe a history of abuse. Larry has pleaded not guilty.
The jurors that the prosecution will want will be someone that maybe has had their husband be controlling, be hypervigilant, and the defense is going to want someone that's comfortable with hearing about affairs and blaming the wife for having an affair. So both sides want a completely different person, so it'll be a long process.
Our community has been invested in this case, turning out for searches, rallies, and vigils. Maya's sister, Mara Chris, who has custody of their 3 children, tells me it's been long and painful just to finally have the chance to know the truth. Her biggest hope is to bring Maya home. She went on to say she is anxious, scared, and deeply saddened they are facing a criminal trial involving family, but above all, she wants justice.